This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can manually calibrate the drone's camera gimbal in a few simple and quick steps. So to start, switch everything on, connect everything RC and aircraft between one another, open the Fly interface and launch settings through those three horizontal dots. Now at the top select the control category, scroll down and look for the gimbal calibration. On this menu or in this menu select the manual option, and now you can adjust or calibrate how you would like for your gimbal to be positioned horizontally, or change the gimbal. You also change this axis, should I say, just turning left and right. That's pretty much what the O is. And as you can see, those changes, those adjustments are pretty small and somewhat precise. So you'll need to make a lot of them to actually make a significant change. But that's generally how you can manually set the gimbal positioning or calibrate the camera gimbal. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.